Another big thing that's helping with all these risks too is what's called parametric flood insurance. What that is when you get sensors on the outside of your house that detects you or tells you that, hey, there's about 3 feet of water that's about to come in your house. But what's cool is it pays out your flood insurance claim instantly. You usually have a check within 48 hours. But those sensors also can help redirect water because certain flotation devices will automatically be detected. Now, the big thing we get is, hey, what are the flood insurance options? Is flood insurance expensive? Like we were talking earlier, can flood insurance be affordable in Georgia? And it absolutely can. And I'm gonna spend a little bit of time now talking about for really the flood insurance options in Alabama. I'm gonna talk about, hey, what happens after this most recent flood? What's that process look like for changing a flood map? When this flood happened like this, you said several of them have happened in several months. So what happens now is they're going to come in and they're going to study. They're going to do what's called a flood insurance study report. This takes probably roughly about 18 months. They're going to study, hey, why did that flood happen? What areas flooded or what areas didn't flood? I said that takes about 18 months to collect this data. Then they come back to the local community and say, hey, this is the data we found. These are the areas that we want to move to a required area. These may be some areas that we want to move to a low risk area. And so the community either agrees or disagrees. You could go back and forth. On this process in Houston, they went back and forth for 20 years before they agreed on a flood map. And it only went into place 6 months after Harvey. 85% of people did not have flood insurance during Harvey. That 85% would have had the new map been in place. And so when they finally agree on this, it could take them a year and a half, 2 years to agree. And we get to about the 4-year mark and they agreed. We have a preliminary map for about a year. And what happens is that's when the local city spends the time communicating with the residents. And these are the changes that are happening. The year before that, they're usually taking input from residents about, hey, this is what we're projecting to happen. And when it's finally there that year, they're really educating people, hey, this is when a new flood map is scheduled to go into date. Sometimes FEMA pushes that back. We see that a lot.